हाय एंड वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। और आज का टॉपिक है द कैपेसिटी टू लव समवन। सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट बिकॉज this is something that I've been noticing happening to people in my personal space, or with people I'm having conversations with in calls as well. So this is something I felt like, okay, this is what I want to talk about. This is what I want to help people understand about the world, about other people, about themselves. That capacity to love someone. So my capacity to love somebody or someone else's capacity to love me, and why this topic again. It has something to do about that case when we end up developing an unhealthy relationship with ourselves. So when suppose if I am a person who has an unhealthy relationship with themselves, so somewhere there is this desire in me, or I'm seeking that love from somebody, from one person. It could be a parent or some other individual जिसकी presence, जिसकी importance हमारी life में बहुत है. A place from where we expected love, where we seeked love, but for some reason we could not get it. But even today somewhere we are seeking it. We are seeking their validation, acceptance, and if not verbally, if we are not asking for it outrightly, it is happening. It is inside our body. We are seeking it internally. Okay, there's a subconscious thing happening that we want their love, their acceptance, and their validation. So today's topic is to help you understand about the same scenario in depth, that why it happens, what is the truth, what is something that you need to know, so that you can be at a better place, so that you can start moving from this place where you have an unhealthy relationship with yourself to a place where you have a better relationship with yourself. Because right now when I'm seeking somebody else's love, validation and acceptance, वो इसको फ्यूल करता है, वो जो मेरा अनहेल्दी रिलेशनशिप है खुद के साथ, where I blame myself, where I accuse myself, where I judge myself, where I don't like the person that I am for a whole lot of reasons, because I don't like who I am. I don't like the way I see myself. My self image is not in my favor. So उसमें उस चीज़ का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है, that somewhere I'm still seeking somebody's validation, acceptance and love. ठीक है. So today's video will help you understand that what is happening, why it is happening, and it will reveal to you a truth that will help you, or that will help you detach, or it will take you to a place where you will finally be able to stop seeking that love from that place anymore. Okay, so it's going to help you. So yeah, if you're new here, I am a trained life coach and I help people go from having an unhealthy relationship with themselves to a place where they share a very beautiful, loving and understanding bond with their own self. जिसका मतलब है the way they talk to themselves, the way they treat themselves, the way they see themselves, and how much comfortable and confident they feel in themselves changes, becomes better. Alright, and if you want to do this work, you can book your session. You will find my contact in the description and comment section. All you have to do is DM me session. So let's start the video. So इसमें हम ना दो सेक्शन कवर करेंगे. सबसे पहले we're going to talk about section A, और उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे section B की. ठीक है. So let's start here, that what is happening here, वो क्या रहा है. So again, because I'm talking about it, and the main thing that my work revolves around is having an unhealthy relationship with self. तो हम यही start करेंगे. Okay, so this is me. Okay, this is I, this is us. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर हम हैं. अब होता क्या है, the fact that as an adult I have an unhealthy relationship with myself, I don't feel comfortable and confident in who I am, because of which I also face confident issues. I feel strong fear of judgment in myself, and self-conscious and all those things. The fact that I'm here, कहीं ना कहीं इसका एक जो बैकग्राउंड और इसका जो रीजन होता है, that growing up, when I was growing up, I'm assuming that this is a parent of mine. ठीक है. One, both, or other person, some guardian, a place where I expected love to come from. ठीक है. So यहाँ पर मेरा एक वो था, that I was seeking love from this person. But what ended up happening is that growing up, what I felt was unloved, unheard, unaccepted, unvalidated. So no matter what I was expecting from this person, what ended up receiving, or what I ended up feeling was that okay, from this relationship, from this person, and और ये प्लीज माइंड, यहाँ पर एक या दो ही इंसान होंगे, नॉट मोर देन दैट. ठीक है. बिकॉज वेन वी आर ग्रोइंग अप, वी वॉन्ट और वी सीक दैट कनेक्शन और लव और एक्सेप्टेंस फ्रॉम स्पेसिफिक पीपल इन आवर लाइफ, नॉट फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ देम. ठीक है. सबसे पहले हमें वो एक दो इंसान से ही चाहिए होता है, जिसमें मोस्टली पेरेंट्स आते हैं, गार्जियंस आते हैं, पीपल हु वी ट्रस्ट सो मच. तो यहाँ पर आई एम गोइंग टू अज्यूम दैट regardless of how this person was, I'm not saying कि ये इंसान बहुत टॉक्सिक होगा या फिर क्रिटिकल होगा, no, regardless of how they were, they had their, suppose they had pure intention towards you, they wanted, they were doing all to make you feel loved, but what ended up you feeling, मतलब what's important is that यहाँ पर how you felt, no matter what was coming from here, you ended up feeling unloved, unaccepted, unheard and invalidated. मतलब आपको ये सब फील हुआ. And you know, this is one reason why as an adult I grow up to have an unhealthy relationship with myself, because see, when these things come from this important place, a place which is so important for me as a child growing up, I make it about myself. The child version of me ends up making all these things about myself, that you know what, since I'm feeling unloved and unaccepted and unheard with this person who is so important to me, it means that there must be some problem in me. I must lack something. I must not be worthy of love or their time or their attention. That this is happening with me. That this beautiful, this important person in my life is unable to love me. Because as children, this person is everything to me. They are equivalent to God, my creator. So if this person is not able to love me, is not able to make me feel loved, they cannot be a problem. I must be the problem. So यहाँ पर how I end up feeling about myself is the conclusion that I end up drawing when this thing happens with me consistently growing up as a child. I draw the conclusion that, you know what, I must not be enough. I must not be good enough. The problem must be in me. I must not be worthy of their love. I must have some defect in me that this important person could not love me. और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि this person is doing something here intentionally to harm you or to criticize you. No. Please understand that यहाँ पर they could have best of their intentions towards you. They are doing their best to make you feel loved. But the important thing is that how this child version of me ends up feeling or has ended up feeling like. और यहाँ पर हमने क्या केस लिया, that यहाँ पर what this child ended up feeling was unloved, unheard and unaccepted. So this is what happened. Okay, so this is what happened. But please mind that now that I'm an adult, जिसके साथ ये हुआ है, so मतलब ये सारी चीज़ें जब होती हैं, when as a child I draw this conclusion, that is why this is the start of me building an unhealthy relationship with myself. Because see, यहाँ से मेरा foundation start होता है. Because when I make a decision in my head as a child that, you know what, I'm not good enough, the problem is in me, ये baseline हो जाता है. Because now I'm building my self concept, my self image कि problem मुझ में है, I am not enough, I must not be worthy enough. तो यहाँ पर वो एक self beliefs बनना start होते हैं. Because the base is negative, because the base is unhealthy, not in my favor. उसके बाद भी मैं ऐसे ही beliefs gather करूँगा अपने बारे में. As a result, when I have become an adult, you know, the relationship that I will share with myself is unhealthy because मेरे जो self beliefs होंगे, majority of my self beliefs will not be in my favor, will be unhealthy, distorted. So I will be carrying a distorted self image, self concept about my own self, where most of my thoughts are not in my favor, and that is why I have an unhealthy relationship with myself. और इसका मतलब क्या है? What do I mean when I say that I have an unhealthy relationship with myself? The way I talk to myself, I don't talk to myself in a very healthy manner. I'm so quick to judge myself, to criticize myself. कोई गलती कर दूँ अगर, if I'm making a mistake, I will be the first person to, you know, bash myself in my head that, see, I can't do anything right, such a stupid person, idiot, not good for anything. So this is how I talk to myself. I don't allow myself to make mistake. I have to be perfect at everything. या तो मैं बिल्कुल perfect कर रहा हूँ कोई चीज़, या तो नहीं करूँगा. So I'm avoiding things. I stop myself from trying new things. Why? Because I'm afraid of making mistakes. I have set a rule for myself that I'm not allowed to make mistake. Everything has to turn out perfectly. Which is very, so here, because I have an unhealthy relationship with myself, I will end up setting up some very harsh rules for my own self, which will eventually make my life feel so hard for my own self. But यहाँ पर, you know, we don't realize, but we have built that cage around ourselves, and that's the beauty of, and you know, it's a good thing as well as a bad thing, because वो cage हमने खुद से बनाया है, so we hold the key to unlock that cage as well. मतलब कि if we have an unhealthy relationship with ourselves today, it is very much possible for ourselves, and it's going to be our decision. It is all going to be upon me to build a healthy relationship with myself, which is a good thing, that the power is in me. I can choose to build a healthy relationship with myself, no matter what was the reason that I ended up developing that such a relationship with myself. Okay, so this is what is happening today, something that definitely does not help. So one thing I want you to keep in your mind is कि हाँ, ये सब तो अभी हो रहा है. Please keep a focus on this. कि यहाँ पर the fact that I ended up feeling this way was that with this one person, I felt that, you know, this person didn't love me. So this is the important factor that I wanted to take forward with you or keep in your head as we move to the second section, because यहाँ पर we are going to talk about this in depth, so that ये जो मेरा जो एक here the part in me which seeked their love, which was seeking their acceptance, can be resolved. We can talk about that, you know, so that it can feel better, it can understand the truth of it, that okay, why this happened, what was the truth of it, because अभी क्या हो रहा है, I'm making it about myself that it was about me. So let's move to the second section now. Okay, so we'll talk about, this is the section B. Okay, सब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है देखो, मैंने इसको टाइटल दिया द ट्रूथ यू नीड टू नो, बिकॉज when you will understand this truth, you will also understand the reality of the beliefs that you formed about yourself, that was it true, was it really true, because अभी तक क्या हो रहा है, the fact that मेरा जो relationship है खुद के साथ वो unhealthy है, मतलब I'm still believing into these things that a problem was in me somewhere, and that is why it's easy for me to believe in negative beliefs about myself even today. So it's so easy for me to keep gathering some more negative beliefs about my own self, because my foundation is this way कि प्रॉब्लम मुझ में ही है. ठीक है, so now let's come to the section 2. अब इसमें सी मैंने यहाँ पे क्या ड्रॉ किया है, अपने आप को मैंने बहुत ही, जो हमने यू वाला सेक्शन बनाया है दैट दिस इज अस, मैंने बहुत ही छोटा ड्रॉ किया है. एंड यहाँ पर जो दूसरा इंसान है, द पेरेंट और द अदर डोमिनेंट पर्सन, इंडिविजुअल, मैंने उसको इंटेंशनली बड़ा बनाया है, बिकॉज हियर आवर फोकस हैज टू बी हियर, बिकॉज द ओरिजिन ऑफ अनहेल्दी रिलेशनशिप इन माई सेल्फ और द ओरिजिन ऑफ दीज नेगेटिव बिलीफ इन माई सेल्फ वॉज दैट व्हेन आई वॉज इन दैट डायनेमिक विद दैट पर्सन अबव, I seeked something else, but I received something else, right? I was seeking love, but what I ended up receiving was not something that I wanted. That feeling of unloved, unaccepted. ठीक है, so we are going to focus on this person. Our focus has to be here. But let's start here. So as an adult, मैंने figure draw किया, but this is an adult us, ठीक है? So जब वो सब हो रहा है ना, तो even as an adult, what happens is that we are left questioning. एक question हमारे अंदर रह जाता है that okay, why couldn't this person love me? Even today, this question sits in our body, not in our head. We will not be asking this question to this person, outright. No. But this is what is inside us. ये question हमारे अंदर रहता है that why couldn't this person love me? Why couldn't they just accept me? और उसके अंदर क्या आंसर आता है? When we don't have the answer, when we don't get the answer that comes naturally is that I was not enough. Again, these things. But this question remains. So this question kind of lives in our body. ठीक है, कि क्यों नहीं? Why couldn't? Like, what was wrong with me? All these questions. So please understand, let's look at this scenario again, what is happening. So the thing is that even when I have become an adult, even when I have grown up, even today I somewhere carry that same desire, that same expectation, that same question. Somewhere even today I'm seeking that love from this person, their love, their acceptance and their validation. And how it drives my life today as an adult. This will be very subconscious in my head that I want to impress this person, or I want to do things in my life, I want to have goals, I want to achieve things in my life that will finally get me their love, their validation, their acceptance. हमें ऐसा लगता है, and somewhere it is still driving my life, my goals, because मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में, whatever life choices come to me, the first question that I have is, if I choose this thing, will it make this person love me more? Will they be more proud of me? Will I be able to prove my worth to them? Which is not helping us, because again we are not living our life for ourselves. Then उसका मतलब है कि I'm living my life to impress this person. Okay, and what is the उसका motivation factor क्या होगा? That I'm still seeking love. So यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है? Let's understand. So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? That and please notice कि यहाँ पर मैंने एक सर्कल ड्रॉ किया है, मैंने जानकर क्वांटिटी के लिए शो किया है. So I have drawn a bigger circle here and I've written it love. So this is the amount of love that I was seeking. ठीक है, let's imagine. So this is the amount of love that I was seeking as a child as well, and even today as an adult, this is the amount of love or capacity or validation that we are seeking from this person. मतलब और जब मैंने एक capacity लिखी है ना, तो मतलब मेरा कहने का मतलब है that the way I want to be understood, the way I want to be loved, the way I want to be accepted is in my head it is this much. ठीक है, इतना है, it's different. But please come to this person now, the other person or the parent, the other figure who was very important to me, where I seeked love, where I was expecting love to come from, because this was the only source where I could have felt safety, or I could have developed my sense of worth or sense of self, all those things. So please notice कि यहाँ पर जो मैंने फिगर ड्रॉ किया है, इसके अंदर भी I want to write love, but because वो बहुत छोटा था मैंने लिखा नहीं. But ये दोनों चीज़ सेम है, but what I want you to notice is that difference. ये दोनों different है. इसका साइज बहुत अलग है, इसका साइज बहुत अलग है. As a person, this is the way I want to be loved. Okay, this is what I'm seeking, the way I want to be understood, the way I want to be validated. But please notice कि जो दूसरा इंसान है उसके पास वही चीज़ डिफरेंट है, बट वो डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी में है. देयर कैपेसिटी टू लव, दोनों चीज़ सेम है, the capacity is different. So their ability or capacity to love you, their ability or capacity to understand you, to offer you acceptance, to validate you is this much. मतलब ये दोनों different है. this is what I'm seeking, but this is what they were able, this is the capacity, this is only how much they have. It's like मेरी जो hunger है, suppose I am used to of having 4 breads or I want 4 breads, मुझे उतना चाहिए ही चाहिए, that is how much I want to eat 4 breads, but this person has only half of it or just one, उनकी capacity ही उतनी है, they have only 1 bread to give you. Now no matter how much you seek it, no matter how much you ask for it, no matter how much you are desperate for it, this person just does not have it enough in themselves to give you. उनके पास उतनी capacity है ही नहीं. So this is an example that I gave you of bread, because then it is easier to understand that if you come to me and if you are asking me for something more than what I have, I will just not be able to give you. I will only be able to hand you that one bread that I have. Now what ends up happening is that, so one thing that I wanted to understand is that, you know, this person, ये उसकी पूरी capacity है to love you. So they are not giving you less of what they have. They are giving you all they have in their full capacity. But where's the difference? Where things go wrong? That here as a child, I'm not able to see this. I don't see कि उनकी capacity उतनी है. That is only much how they can understand me. That is only how much they can accept me or validate me, because that's their capacity. What I see is that, okay, I didn't receive this much. क्योंकि जब वहाँ से मुझे इतना सा मिलता है ना, तो all I see is that this person gave me less than what I asked for. जब मुझे यहाँ पे रिसीव होता है इतना सा लव इसके सामने, all I can make sense of is that, okay, I asked for this much, I wanted to be understood to this level, and this is only what I'm getting. So we make it about ourselves. We think this person is doing it intentionally because we don't deserve it. So here we are making it about ourselves. But what needs to happen? Let's come back to here. As I said, यहाँ पे हमें focus इस पे करना है, खुद पर नहीं. Because as an adult, you know, what happens here that helps us, or that ends up me developing an unhealthy relationship, is that when this happens, when I'm seeking this much of love, but I receive this much of it, I make it about myself, that it's about me, that this person is doing it intentionally because they don't love me, because maybe I was not worthy enough. But let's come back to here, that what was the truth, what was the reality, that, you know, all of us, ये सिर्फ यहाँ पे इन दोनों इंडिविजुअल्स की बात नहीं है, all of us have different capacity to love. हमारी जो ability होती है, capacity होती है to understand, to love, to accept somebody, to validate somebody, वो different होती है, human person to person. Okay, so यहाँ पर it is not that this person gave you any less. It is who they were. It is what they had. So they were giving you all that they had. And let's understand कि why does this person have only this much capacity? या फिर किसी और के पास वो capacity उतनी क्यों है? So to understand that, you need to understand their inner world, the space they are coming from, the life they have led. So यहाँ पर अभी forget about this much. Let's focus on this other person. जिससे even today I feel कि only if this person loved me, or even today somewhere I'm seeking their love, acceptance and validation, because I don't understand this difference. कि यार this person just does not have the capacity to love me the way I want. And why it is important to understand this thing? Because if I understand this thing, I will finally stop seeking it from them. I will finally stop making it about themselves, making their behavior, their action about me. That is how much I deserve. That they're doing it because that is how much I'm worth. जो अभी तक हो रहा है, which is not helping me, which is again fueling my negative self beliefs. So let's come back to this person. किसी भी इंसान की जो capacity होती है to love, to understand, to accept, it comes from their own personal space. So their capacity to love comes from their life, the life they have led, their own personal space, उनकी खुद की जो ability होती है. So here an important aspect becomes to look at other person like another person. अभी तक हम इन्हें सिर्फ relationship में एक उसकी तरह देख रहे हैं, that this is an important figure, it was their responsibility to love me. अभी तक हम उन्हें बहुत ही attachment से देख रहे हैं. What I want you to do is, please separate from this person for once and look at them like another person, another human being who also started off in this world like a child. And they had their own life, they grew up, they had their own emotional, health, emotional world, they had their own emotions to deal with. So basically मतलब उनकी खुद की एक life रह चुकी है, they have had their own personal space, their own ability, and it's also about how much they love themselves even today. वो खुद को कितना understand करते हैं, खुद को कितना acceptance दे पाते हैं, खुद को कितना validate कर पाते हैं, वो आपको उससे ज़्यादा नहीं दे सकते. So it comes from their own self. So you can't really ask for more love, can you? Even if you are seeking that love, there's no, it just cannot come from this person, because उनकी capacity उतनी ही है, they're giving you all. So what's the point of me telling you all of this? That because अभी तक क्या हो रहा है, that even today somewhere I'm seeking their love and acceptance and validation, for which I'm somehow taking my life decisions to fulfill that. to have that acceptance from them, believing that only if I do this thing, maybe they'll start to love me more. But the truth is, that's the only their capacity. So no matter how much you do, no matter who you become, उनकी capacity उतनी ही रहेगी. So when you understand this thing, when you understand that okay, their ability to love you is not about you, but it's more about them, you finally stop seeking it. You finally stop making your whole life about this relationship, or about getting or seeking their acceptance and validation and love, which is important, because when you start to look at this person like another person, and when you accept the fact that okay, all of us have different capacity to love, you in a way free yourself, because then you are not depending on this relationship, on this person to feel better, to feel good, to feel validated, to feel like okay, I'm worthy enough. It helps you in that sense. And when we do this, when you understand this, it's like first step of moving towards building a healthy relationship with yourself, because then you will be in a place where you allow yourself to not feel that the problem was you, that somebody could not love you, which is the core of having developed an unhealthy relationship with yourself. And once you stop accusing yourself, once you stop judging yourself, once you become curious that okay, if this is not who I am, who am I then? And then you start exploring yourself. Then you become curious about yourself. Then you start to understand your story. You start to look at yourself differently from a place of kindness, understanding. And that is what building a healthy relationship is all about. To stop defining yourself from somebody else and come back to yourself, to rediscover yourself, to build a new self-concept for yourself, to literally start to explore who you are, to become self-aware, to become your own person first. And that is the work I do. And that is what I feel passionate about, because I see the impact it brings into one's life. Because see, my life is from me, through me. So if as a person I don't like myself, I don't like the body I am in, I don't feel comfortable in who I am, everything in life is going to feel so uncomfortable to me. Because I'm not happy in my own home in the sense myself, the person that I am. And so when I build a healthy relationship with myself, it's like transitioning my home. And once I start to feel safe enough in my own home, life will also start to feel same way. Life will also start to feel easy and a safe place to be in. Okay, so this is what I do. I help you build a healthy relationship with yourself, or in better sense, I help you understand yourself better. I help you change the way you talk to yourself, where you start to understand yourself, you start to understand your story. So instead of accusing and judging yourself, you become like a friend of yours. You become more kind, more compassionate towards your own self. So अगर आप कोई गलती कर भी रहे हो, so you will handle that, or you will talk to yourself with much more love and compassion. You will allow yourself to make mistakes. You will start enjoying your life more. Okay, so this is the work I do, and if you want to do this work, if you want to understand yourself better, or if you want to have a session with me, all you got to do is go to my description and comment section. You'll have my WhatsApp contact there. DM me session and I'll see you there. My first clarity calls are free right now. Alright, so I'll see you in the session then. Bye bye.